Hello students, today will we discuss about understand why symbolism. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सिम्बॉलिज्म. आर्थर सिमन्स writes in the symbolist movement. In literature, that symbolism is perceived under the disguise or another in every great imaginative writer. It was in the mid 1880s that they were brought into light by a group of young poets who contributed to the magazine La Decadente. These poets gave themselves the name of symbolists, a word which was defined or at least described in a manifesto issued in 1886 by Jean Morris, who maintained that the symbolist poets made efforts to give vent to a primordial idea, not in it itself but through concrete phenomena which were in the fact and appearance with historic affinities to it. First, a symbolist movement. In literature, that symbolism is perceived under the disguise or another. In every great imaginative writer, it means that these writers had wrote out an unseen reality. It is not certain whether they did so or not. The works of many eminent writers certainly contain symbols, and so give some support to Simon's remark. Next है unseen reality. There were many other symbolists such as Renning Hill, Gustav Kahn, Stuart Merrill and Emil, wherein some other names mentioned. With these symbolists are Mittertink, Willenda, Adam and Jules Lefebvre. Next time, indicate a literary movement. The term symbolism is generally used to indicate a literary movement which started in France in the latter part of the 19th century. What many other writers had consciously employed symbols before the movement came to be known as symbolism. Under the impact of Swedenborg wrote in his sonnet correspondences that the world is a forest of symbols. His poems are full of unwholesome images of life. They were intended not only as narrations but as manifestations of his own spiritual state. Vaillant, Rembrandt and Mallarmé are also regarded as the founders of symbolism. Next, the symbolic landmarks of symbolism in England are George Murray, Symonds and Yeats. Poets like T.S. Eliot, Paul Valery and Dylan Thomas, all these poets were influenced by symbolist movement. Referring to the use of symbols in Elvis, the Jewish story writers, what marks the Jewish story as new development of our drama is the way in which Elvis blends symbolism with naturalism to realize his theme. It's somewhat startling as the realization that Elvis are traditional Christian symbols which, despite their modern dress, retain their original significance in modern terms. The relationship between is lower, never forced, as it so often is say a Williams play. Rather, symbolism is part of the very fabric of the play, functioning within as well as enlarging to surface meaning. Next is symbolic equivalent. On many occasions, L.V. gives the audience broad clues to his symbolic equivalent so that his meaning cannot be misunderstood. For example, when Jerry is describing to Peter the nature of the human condition by means of the parable of the dog, he used in a broad parody in biblical locations, and it came to pass that the beast was deathly ill. Or again, after Jerry, Jesus has heard hell that is gained entrance into the rooming house and assumed responsibility for its inmates and is ready for the attainment of salvation. He must approach Peter a very curious route. I took the subway down to the village so I could walk all the way up Fifth Avenue to the zoo. It is one of those things a person has to do. Sometimes a person has to come very long distance out of his way to come back to a short distance correctly. The journey down up at the end of which lies the salvation of man is. Of course, Christ is declared into hell and resurrections which are necessary before the redemptions can begin. The same critic quotes on another occasion. Edward is recreating his theme, the theme of human isolation and salvation through sacrifice, has used a pattern of symbolism that is an immensely expanded allusion to the story of Christ's sacrifice. But the symbolism is not outside of the story which he has to tell, which is the story of modern man and his isolation and hope for starvation. But the symbolism is not outside of the story which he has to tell, which is the story of allusion to support his own story. He has chosen traditional Christian symbols, I think not because they are tricky attention getters, but because the sacrifice of Christ is perhaps the most effective way that the story has been told in the past. Another important critic writes about the use of symbol in the Jewish story. The Jewish story has a greater depth of feelings and experience and is more original in its conceptions. The Jew constitutes the central symbol of the play and is an image of human isolation and absence of contact and communication. It is an apt and poignant symbol. Its weakness, however, is that it has only a verbal existence and no physical presence. However, is that it has only a verbal existence and no physical presence. The physical action is rather long drawn and embarrassing and is entirely dependent on speech, rather Jerry's monologue. Undoubtedly, Edward L.V. is the only existentialist playwright of American dramatists that has influenced the absurd drama in America to a great extent, and the credit goes to the Jewish story. The play is related to the existential themes according to universal human situations, and Elvi has carefully and skillfully used metaphysical factors to make the play according to the taste and needs of the reader. Existentialists are related directly and fundamentally with literary works. It was the double focus on absurd man. In an absurd human conditions that created the theater of the absurd. As far as the Jewish story is concerned, it is an extension play of, since this play such extensions turns with regard to modern man and his environment on a particular point of time. It has been observed that the modern man is the fittest case of breakdown of social values as his routine life lacks balance. The Jewish story is a true picture of such facts of existential character of Jerry. The character of Jerry is basically a case of man who considers himself a permanent transit.